Salesforce is making a big push to its clients to do data cloud. In fact, if you look historically, a lot of their marketing had the 360 customer view. Now, some of the newer stuff you see data cloud. It's more layered in like a rainbow arc over some of these things. So there's a big push for data cloud. What type of security do people need to start thinking about if they're using data cloud today or they're considering using it?
Currently, it's very popular. What you can do with data cloud is ingest your data from other sources, not only from Salesforce, but probably from some data lakes or data warehouses, connect all of these things in one place and do some insights or calculate some interesting formulas, etc. What about security there? First of all, and it's very important because it's not related to like a technical, but it's more about policies again and compliance. So there is a data retention policy. It's very important part of the data cloud. Why? Because when you have all of those data, it's really massive amount of data. They highly sensitive there. And it's important to understand that you shouldn't keep this data infinite amount of time. You need to have some data retention policy. It means that you need to configure when your data will be deleted, because usually you don't need this data in like a constant basis. You need to remove them after some point.
Yeah, or you could move it offline. There's the security element. There's also the business cost element of storing this. So you can really kind of kill two birds with one stone by addressing the security and understanding what is our true retention policy, what goes offline, what goes away, what gets consolidated. So, and you can address the security that way as well.
Yeah, and again, as we already talked about Shield, there is also important to understand that at Data Cloud, you have the same problem. You have highly sensitive data, and if you in some, medical care organization, you also need to encrypt all of this sensitive data because it's a requirement from your regulators. Salesforce again provides an ability, like if you already have a Shield, you can just install platform encryption for Data Cloud. It's just an add-on. You just install it, and then you can encrypt all of your data in Data Cloud. And what about other advices? It's probably most important to have some sort of anonymization there. Why it's important? Because not all of your data should be like with real sensitive data. Most of them usually can be transferred to some anonymized data. It means that most of your data can be transfigured to some just the statistic numbers there and processed there just as is without any sensitive information.
That could help with compliance as well.
It's about compliance, but also it might lead you that, okay, if you have some data breach, well, okay, but if your data was anonymized properly, then data breach is not so harmful for you. So it's a good stuff. I think it's just from personal experience that a few customers had good anonymization systems there. It was automatic, and it was pretty good solution from my point of view.